It has much aggressive stand with both front and rear shock mounting points. The material is polycarbonate carbon fiber. Welcome to Big Song Hobbies. I am going to be starting up a new LCG build for Axial SCX24. On my C10 comp build, I ended up using a Killr performance chassis. It offered three main advantages over the stock stamped steel chassis. It's made of small weave carbon fiber, which helped to shave 11 grams compared to the stock stamped steel chassis. It offers 5-degree angle skid, which help with the sliding over obstacles. And finally, the chassis incorporates rear shock hoops with multiple mounting locations. It's a direct conversion and a pretty simple one. If you're interested in watching the how-to video, I'll provide a link at the top right corner. There are quite a few LCG chassis out there, but none really impressed me enough to move from the Killr performance chassis until I learned the Killr chassis from a friend. When I saw it, I had to give it a try. Quick disclaimer, I reached out to inquire about when the next batch of Killr chassis will be available for sale. He recognized me from my YouTube channel and he offered me to send out a Killr Chassis Spectr kit free for testing purposes. I greatly appreciate the opportunity to test and review. So what is Killr Chassis? It's a competition chassis for 1/24 scale RC rock rollers. It looks to have very well thought out design. It has much aggressive stand with both front and rear shock mounting points. The material is polycarbonate carbon fiber, which should be quite durable. The chassis is designed to use the C10 length links. The owner confirmed that the stock links will work, but he also told me that the chassis really shines when you use high clearance links. So I bought a set of custom high clearance links for Spectr chassis from RC Steve 710. The chassis comes in two materials, the polycarbonate carbon fiber and aluminum, and I have the carbon fiber version here. So how do you buy it? Killr Chassis is sold through Etsy. I'll make sure to provide the links in the description. What do you get with the kit? Here's everything you'll receive with the Killr Chassis Spectr kit. Chassis rails with 18 shock mounting options, 5.5-degree angled skid plate with reversible transmission mounting, angled sliders, front tray, rear tray, magnetic front body mount with 4 neodymium magnets, 5 chassis braces. Few things to note. Optimal performance is achieved when using a smaller battery than the one included with the SCX24. The components are 3D printed, so be careful not to over-tighten during the assembly. A 4-link setup is recommended to reduce the drive shaft rub. The chassis kit is designed to work with C10 jib links. However, high clearance rear links are recommended for best performance. I will start the build process in the next build series, so stay tuned. Hope you found the information helpful and useful. If you like the contents of this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like and notification bell to be notified of when new contents are uploaded. Thanks for watching Big Song Hobbies.